Hi guys, namaste, welcome back to Cap Classes. You might have heard so many times that this much of money put in this company will become these many crores. There are so many examples. One is if you keep 10,000 rupees in Reliance in 1980, it will be equal to these many crores. When you put 10,000 rupees in Wipro in 1980, that will be equal to 600 crores, 650 crores. So like that, you might have heard of so many stories. Some of them are there in case studies of IIMs and Harvard also. So in this series of financial literacy videos, I just wanted to give you some information on how diamonds can be sorted from the dust. So can any analyst or can any trade pundit you call it or stock market pundit you call it, they will tell you that 30 years back if you invest money, today it would be so and so. This is the historical returns. So last 30 years, whatever happened, giving it to you is one level. But can we know what will happen if we invest money in this company today? What will happen in the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years? Can we do that? If you are able to do that, don't you think you understood the nerve, you understood the crux, you understood the secret of making money in the stock markets? Yes or no? So today, I'm going to tell you, there can be 100 fundamental things which you need to look at, but there are certain crucial things. Now, if you do not know how to do something, it is always better to look at the people who are experts in the field, what they are doing. Now you can see on my screen there is one page where I have searched Bajaj Finance share price in Google. So this is what you'll get. Okay, so let us learn from here. So today, what is the date? 20th December, 20th December 2022, obviously. When the stock market closed at 15:30, when the stock market closed by 3:30 in the afternoon, the price, share market price is 6,641 INR, isn't it? 6,641 INR. So this is the movement of share price from morning 9:15 when the market opened till 3:30 when the market closed. Okay, so it is showing you clearly opening price is 6,660, high during the day is 6,698, low during the day is so and so, P ratio, all these things, right? So these two are very important parameters, PE ratio of 40.57, dividend yield 0.30. About this fundamental things we'll discuss later. Now let us see here. If you look at it, this is 1 day chart. If you want, you can see 5-day chart, 1 month chart, 6 months chart, year to date, 1 year chart, 5-year chart maximum. So let us look at 5-year chart. So 5 years back, this was bloody 1,700 and it came to 7,000, 8,000 within 5 years. That means already 5 times. Already 5 times. And look at the curve, look at the elevation, look at the slope. Don't you think it is damn consistent? There is some fall here, but can you see any other fall? This fall could be because of so many reasons. Leave it. And see the overall curve. See the overall curve here. So historically, it has already given from 2018 till today, if you observe, 3-4 years, if you observe, already it has given 100% returns. So 1,700 has become 7,000, 8,000. Now, is it a good company? We don't know. Shall we do fundamental analysis, technical analysis? We are not experts. I know, but I'm saying if you are not an expert. Analysts say that this 6,641 rupees a share, if you buy, this will become 15,000 to 18,000 in 5 years. Analysts are saying that. We don't know. And if it happens, you are earning on an average at a rate of 40%, 50% per year, which is too good, huge. Yes or no? So will it happen? We don't know. How to ensure that this is a good company? how can I ensure that, I can invest money in this company and it is safe? So you read the sector, you read their audit reports, you read their annual financial statements, you do the financial statement analysis, you look at the fundamental characteristics, you look at the business model, you look at the industry outlook, you look at, factors which are differentiating this. This is working in NBFC, their business model is this. All these things set aside. Set aside all these things because we are not experts. I am. I consider at least myself to be an expert, but still I'm telling you, you are a layman. You do not know reading any of these things. Even if you read management discussion and analysis, you cannot understand that. Financial statements, you cannot understand that. Projections, you cannot understand that. Imagine, you do not understand any literature that is given for this Bajaj Finance Limited. Then what to do? My dear friends, I'll give you today the formula, the secret. Okay, so go to any website. So this is Money Control website. Open in Money Control. Open in Money Control. So you can see all these things here. So here you can see the SWOT of the company: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And then they will tell you, you pay this much of money, we'll give you technicals. We will give you insights. We will tell you whether this share can be bought or sold. But you can pay this ET, Economic Times, then investing, then Money Control, any good app, buying a subscription for Pro, we call it Pro plus subscription. It is always good. But I'm not asking you to do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Pavan sir, what all these things are? What is this P by B? What is this face value? TTM, EPS, TTM, P, market capitalization, dividend yield, 20-day average volume. So, Pavan sir, I am unable to understand any of these. Leave, leave, leave. Don't look at anything. Come down. Chart is there. Don't look at the chart. Come down. 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 All these, they have put a lock mark. No, that means if you buy Pro, if you pay some money, then they will unlock all these things. No need, no need. Come down, come down, come down. This is the damn thing I wanted to tell you. Big shark investors. Where did we start? I'm clicking that big shark investors. Where did we start? How can we identify diamonds and how can we differentiate diamonds from the dust? Out of 10,000 companies that are listed in stock market, which are dust, which are diamonds? If you can identify a diamond, bet on the diamond. That's it. Now, under this big shark portfolios, look here, there are three categories. Individual investors like you and me, institutional investors, FII, foreign institutional investors. So these are the people who are investing money here in this particular company. Now look at this. What the hell is this? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, one of the biggest investors, he invested 32,868. What is this? They are showing net worth crores. Oh no, they are showing that this guy Rakesh Jhunjhunwala invested money in this company. Okay, in terms of company holdings, it is 30. So it is the net worth of this particular company. So ignore it. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is owning shares in Bajaj Finance. Premji and Associates, another very big investor firm. They are investing. They have money. Radhakrishnan Damani. Oh, this Radhakrishnan Damani is also one of the biggest investors. DMart, Avenue Supermarkets we call. Very big guy. Very big guy. Next to Adani Ambani. Then Mukul Agarwal, another big guy. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. All these names, if you see, Vijay Kedia, all these people on the extreme left-hand side, big people, big people. So all these people have shares in this company. Okay, ignore. Come to institutional investors. What the hell this is? President of India. Means central government has investment. SBI Group has investments in Bajaj Finance. ICICI Group, Reliance Group, HDFC, Axis, Birla, Sundaram, General Insurance, IDFC Group, Canara, Franklin India, New India Assurance, Mirae Assets, ENIM Securities, Gagandeep. What all these things are? Punjab National Bank, Vistra, Oriental Insurance, JM Financial. Don't you think all these are the biggest possible players in India. There are no players which are bigger than these institutes. My dear friends, all these people invested money in this Bajaj Finance. Shit. Then come to foreign institutional investors. These are domestic institutional investors. Come to the extreme right hand side of this. Are you kidding me? Government of Singapore, they invested shares in this company. Government Pension Fund Global, Euro Pacific Growth, Vanguard, which is a very big institute, Nalanda India Fund, Elara Indian Opportunities, Small Cap World Fund. All these things are. What? So how big these people are? How big these people are? Goldman Sachs, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. What does this mean? My dear friends, whenever any company, any investment company invest money in an investee, they have a process. They will have a checklist. So this Bajaj Finance, unless it satisfies the investment criteria of these people, they will not invest money in Bajaj Finance. So any of these names, whether individual investors or institutional investors or foreign institutional investors, when they have invested money in Bajaj Finance, it is not out of instinct, it is not out of emotion, it is not because someone told that this share price will grow in future. No, they might have done an extreme level of due diligence. They might have tested this company with, who knows, maybe an algorithm, artificial intelligence, or technology based checklist. They might have run so many checks on the company, and then they decided this is a diamond. So do you think it is incidentally happening that all these people are saying this is a good share? There is nothing called incidentally happening. That means fundamentally this company is very strong. Fundamental. So now I have shown you two things. What are the two things? One, look at this 5-year, 10-year, chart. Look at this chart with 5 years, 10 years data. This chart is there. This chart, look for 5 years, 10 years, what happened? Okay, that will show you clearly where this company is heading to, or from where this company came. This regression analysis statistics you might have studied, looking at 5 years past data. If you extrapolate the same into the future, what happens with common sense, But at the same time, in investment, they say past performance need not be a guarantee for future performance. Yes, I know. But look at 5 years of past performance and then these investors. So look at this 5 years trend. After 5-year trend, go down and look at big shark investors. It will give you a clear insight of who are the institutional investors investing money in this company. Okay, and if you look at the number of shares they have held, look here. Government of Singapore, 3.42%. Axis Group, 2.67%. SBI Group, 2.29%. What these things are? That means it is a proof that this company is a diamond. This company is not a dust. Like that you can do. Another thing is this investor presentation. But this investor presentation is something, like marketing. Okay, this is a marketing brochure. Investor presentation. You can read investor presentation, but sometimes, it could be biased. Because company prepares it. Company obviously says we are strong. So go with 5 years historical data and then go with big shark investors. So I know probably 40-50 companies like this. In this 40-50 companies, Bajaj Finance is one. So I'm pretty sure, this is purely for education purpose. I am neither a consultant nor an analyst. I am not into any investment advisory. I never ask people to invest in a company. And even if you call me and ask, Pavan sir, I have 1 lakh rupees, where to invest? I say, I don't know. I never do that. Whether even if it is my family members or close friends also, if they say where to invest money, straight I'll tell them one thing. Go to Motilal Oswal or go to Sher Khan, ask them, I have 2 lakh rupees where to invest and all. They have, certain portfolios from 2,50,000 onwards, 5 lakhs onwards, which is actually very easy. So you invest money through them, because I do not want to take any risk. I do not want to give any advisory, because I am not a SEBI registered, investment specialist, analyst, or advisor. So I do not do that. This is for education. This is for education. Though I have knowledge enough to grasp and understand 40 different dimensions, I still do not advise. You do this, you don't do this. That is completely up to you. But as a teacher, basically I am a teacher. As a teacher of finance, to my next generation, I just want to transfer some knowledge on certain fundamental things. I am a person who did a lot of this, what do you call, speculation, derivatives, forex, commodities, currency, then futures, options. I have done left and right, and I lost money. I lost hell lot of money. I earned, I lost. So there were years, in the recent past also, in a year, my losses sometimes come to 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs in a year. But trust me, touch wood, when I invest money, not speculating, not betting, not gambling, when I invest money, looking at these kind of parameters, touch wood, I never lost money. That is the reason in my previous financial literacy video, I told you there are, different types of people that deal with stock market instruments. One is investor, one is speculator, one is gambler. If you are investor, you should know how to read fundamentals and how to identify diamonds, how to differentiate diamonds from the dust. So today I told you, last 5 years or 10 years, share market price movement and financials, what happened in the last 5 years, 6 years, plus who are big names, institutional investors, individual investors, foreign institutional investors, FII, who have invested money in this company. Look at it. When you know that Government of Singapore, Government of India, President of India, Axis Group, SBI Group, Reliance Group, Radhakrishna Mani, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, all these people invested in one company, don't you think it is common sense that this company is going to do wonders? Again, coming back, I know, maybe 30 to 40 or maybe 40 to 50 companies I have identified like this, and I have invested small amount or big amount. I have invested maybe few lakhs in all these companies, and it will be for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, not for short term. Now, I want you, if you want to learn, if you want to educate yourself, if you want to extract maximum out of this financial literacy videos made by me through this CAP classes and all, if you want, I suggest you take 5 companies. It could be big companies like State Bank of India, it could be Reliance, or it could be Avenue Supermarket, it could be, Whirlpool, or it could be anything, PB Infotech. So you take randomly Infosys, Wipro, take randomly 5 to 10 companies and try to study their 5-year chart and big shark investors, so that you identify something, you understand something. Not just to invest money, but to understand, oh, these are the institutional investors in this particular company, which gives you some good insights on how to identify diamonds. Do you think this is a useful tip for you? Do you think what I have spoken in this video makes sense on how to identify companies which can create a fortune for you? You invest 10,000 rupees in this company, or you invest 1 lakh rupees in this company. After 20 years, 30 years, you don't need to read somewhere that had you invest this money, you would have been, that story will not be there. You will be a part of the journey. You will not read the example. You will be a part of journey. I missed, investing money in Wipro and earning crores. I missed investing money in Reliance and, the chance of earning crores, because in 1980s, I was not there. I'm not an investor. Okay, so half part of 1980s or some part of 1980s, I was not existing also. So I could not have, I do not have an opportunity to invest those days. But do I have an opportunity to identify the winning horses today and invest so that after 20 years, I'll be a part of this growth story? Yes. Yes, let us do that. So let us learn, let us identify which are the good shares. And then I'm not asking you to invest money in Bajaj Finance. I'm asking you to read more about Bajaj Finance. Read more about, other companies. Then let us see. Knowledge is the base to earn money in stock markets. So it is learn today to earn tomorrow. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have identified a company with these two parameters, 5 years growth line, the market price of the share, and big shark investors, type it in the comment section and let me see what you have identified. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Cap Classes for more financial literacy videos. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.